Login Panel Server web pages. Go to Settings, Modbus Devices, Custom Models. Let's upload a new custom model. Add a device from this model type. Because custom models can exist in different versions, we'll make a small change to the model in the EPC web tool and then reload the new version. For this example, we will remove one measurement from this model. Click Export Now. Click Import and select the latest version. If devices are already linked to this model panel server, PAS will not update their version automatically. To update them manually, go to Options greater than Switch versions, then select the new version. This step is unnecessary if no devices are associated with the model. The old version of the model can be removed from PAS.